70-some degrees, and I got my two little dummies outside. And welcome to another Fired Up Friday, or and Bluegrass Bushcraft Coffee Challenge. So let's get at her. Okay, there's a lot more time than we do. A lot more time. There's a lot more things to do than we have time to do them in. So we're going to press the easy button on this one. We're just going to use some of this stuff. Because there's too much to do. We got our Dominic Minichetti poker and our Mad Dog Survival ferro rod and ceramic striker. I gotta remember to do the bird feeders too. Alright, one and done. She wasn't happy about that one last night. What can you do? Well, that's enough of that. It'll go out. I gotta fill the bird feeders anyways. We'll make some tea. Just show ahead, eh? Little Timmy, Harper, Jonah's in the house somewhere. Welcome to another Bluegrass Bushcraft Coffee Challenge. Except we're gonna have decaf tea because it's late in the afternoon. So anyways, a new teapot. Look, Mom, oh, with a hole in the bottom. We'll see if that's going to be a no grip thing or not. And IKEA whistling kettle. Not made in Sweden. But anyways, I preheated this inside, so it won't take long. It's a whistling kettle, and it's a big disappointment, I'll put it that way. As good as it gets. Sure won't wake you up out of sleep, that's for sure. Anyways, we have our tea bags in the pot. This one you have to take the snout off. And we'll make tea. Now, we wait 5 minutes for that to steep. So we'll light our candles. And go put the camera on hold. Oh well. Should be steep now. Give it Tim Hortons mug here. Yeah, I got lots of them. Anyways, don't feel like getting up either. Anyways, let's see if this will pour tea. Sure looks strange. Anyways, let's give it a sip. And where did it go? Regular decaffeinated tea, nothing special here. Anyways, light these fires for people that need them, those that have gone before us, and those of us that be left behind. I'm going to try to get a picture of eating grosbeaks at the feeder. These evening grosbeaks are new this week. Two other different birds. Anyways, that's enough. I should switch cameras and get a good camera for this.